In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud contacts. By the end, you'll know how to turn on iCloud syncing and confidently use your address book on your iPhone or iPad, with your information safely backed up and kept consistent across your Apple devices. Let's start by enabling iCloud contacts so everything stays in sync. On your iPhone or iPad, open Settings. At the very top, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. Then choose iCloud. Look for Contacts and switch it on. That's all you need to do. From now on, your contacts will automatically sync to iCloud and stay up to date on other Apple devices signed in with the same Apple ID. If you're asked whether to merge existing contacts, choosing to merge keeps everything together in one place. After turning it on, give it a moment to update. Keeping your device connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data helps the first sync complete smoothly. Once it finishes, any change you make to a contact on this device will reflect everywhere that uses the same iCloud account. Now, let's use those contacts on your device. Open the Contacts app or open the Phone app and tap the Contacts tab. You'll see your iCloud contacts listed. Tap a name to open their contact card. From here, it's easy to get in touch. You can place a call, send a text message, or start an email directly from the contact card. If a contact has multiple phone numbers or email addresses, choose the one you want, and your iPhone or iPad will use it for that action. When you need to update information, tap Edit on the contact card. You can correct a phone number, add an email address, or include useful details like a company or birthday. When you're done, tap Done, and your edits will sync back to iCloud automatically. If you share a contact with someone, your device will send a standard contact card so they can save it easily. A few quick tips to keep everything running smoothly. If a change doesn't appear right away, wait a moment and make sure you have a reliable internet connection. Double-check that you're signed in with the same Apple ID on your other devices so the information matches everywhere. And keep the Contacts switch turned on in iCloud settings so updates continue to sync in the background. That's it. With iCloud contacts turned on and your address book organized, you'll always have the most current details at your fingertips, no matter which device you pick up.